Today, my God, I'm gonna teach you guys how to make a vending machine. Actually, it's very nice. It's just a few things you have in your life. It's redstone, no TNT. The TNT's upper. And potion. So that 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, guys, I'm gonna put some blocks like that. I'm gonna put and hopper, 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 and over the chest. Okay, it's very easy. The hoppers over. Okay, guys. Oops. Okay. One here, one over there, one over here, one over here, one over there. Okay, now it's red. Red. Ouch. It hurt. Okay. Ouch. Oh. My vision and something over here. Oh, this one is just one. Okay, a book. This one too. Okay, this thing. And then, just 16. Okay, it's done. You don't need pay. Okay. Okay, I want go up. Wait, that's crazy. Something. Oh, the bacteria. Because this is right. Okay. We can exchange it into a raw fish. And the fake pay now. I changed my mind. A fake pay. Pay over here. That's a fake pay. Okay. Give me this thing. Okay. And that you pay, but it's really not paying. Okay, that's all I want. Okay, it's done. Okay guys, if you want to design that thing, please subscribe for more videos gonna make of fake. Bye.